Today I'm doing a film review about the movie titled Unfriended Dark Web.
Oh God.
I really think you should stop. No.
Matthias, can you just
Shut it off.
shut it out of that thing.
Shut it off.
Alright.
That looked way too real.
I think that is real.
They've all been watching.
We have to do something, and we have to do it now. Oh my God. This is my mom. No!
You saw what he did to those people!
Can't they find the rest of us too?
You don't understand what you have gotten yourself into.
Do not click the link. Do not click the link. Get out of there right now!
AJ, get out!
AJ!
I can hear you. Are you still
Kelly,
there?
I can't
just
see you.
The movie follows Matthias, a young man who finds a laptop and starts using it, only to realize it's connected to a dangerous dark web group. As he chats with his friends on a group video call, they slowly discover disturbing secrets hidden in the laptop. What starts as an ordinary night quickly turns into a terrifying fight for survival, as the group realizes they're being watched and worse, manipulated by anonymous hackers who seem to know everything about them. The trends in ICT tackled in the film is convergence and social media. Convergence because the movie shows that the hackers are able to access their devices, track their movements, and even control their lives remotely because all their tech is connected in some way. And social media because the characters' online presence makes them easy targets as the hackers use their personal information against them. The internet threats shown in the film is malware, virus, spyware, and farming. Malware because the stolen laptop Matthias uses is filled with hidden malware, malicious software designed to steal data, spy on him, and give hackers full control over his activities. And virus because the laptop contains viruses that spread to other devices through cloud storage and messaging app, infecting everything it touches. And spyware because the movie shows how the hackers watch the group through their own webcams and microphones without them realizing it. This shows how spyware can silently invade your privacy. And farming because the hackers manipulate the group's online activities, directing them to fake websites to steal their login information. Is a reminder that not everything online is what it seems. The lesson I learned from the film is we need to be careful with our online lives and think twice before clicking on something to protect our personal information and to be aware that the internet isn't always as safe as it seems.